Hey guys, welcome back. My name's Danielle and today we're going to talk a bunch of keto stuff. I'm going to give you a week update on how my week had just went, what my plans are for next week. We're going to address keto crotch because I've gotten probably 100 messages asking if I heard about it. So if you're interested in all those topics, then go ahead and stay tuned. Good morning. Happy Sunday. Sorry for it being a day late. But here's the thing I want to ask you guys. Do you prefer the keto updates on Saturday or Sunday? Completely your choice. I just happen to work usually on Sunday or Saturdays, and it was a really busy day and I just got so far behind. I got out of work late. We had a family party. It was just, I had basically lost that whole day. So nonetheless, here we are. Let's update. Let's talk about this week. How did my week go? It went like shit. I'm going to be completely honest with you. My eating wasn't necessarily horrible, but I did not count anything. I mean, I just basically stayed low carb. I don't know if I hit the 20 carbs a day or if I went over it. I can't even tell you because I don't know what happened. I mean, I'm not going to make excuses. I can give you 3 million excuses, but honestly, I just wasn't, my head wasn't in the game. Stuff going on with the kids, the house, work, sorry about that. I was just wrapped up in everything. I never made it to the gym all week this week. Yeah, I mean, I just didn't do it. I mean, I could be like, oh, well, my kids didn't feel good on this day, and then my husband. I mean, literally excuses are like assholes and everybody's got one, and most of the time they stink. So I'm just gonna leave it as I wasn't on my game. It was completely, a ball dropping moment on myself. And you know what? I really felt like crap about it, honestly. Like, it wasn't so much my eating. Like I said, I wasn't counting everything. It was really like a lazy keto week. Life was going, I was just busy, and my like fitness and weight loss journey totally took a backseat to life. And sometimes that happens. So if you guys find yourself in this situation, don't just quit. Don't, beat yourself down about it. Just say, hey, you know what? It happens, but I'm gonna get right back on it. So today's Sunday, tomorrow's Monday, tomorrow, new week, new start, taking care of the business tomorrow. My eating, like I said, it was okay. I didn't really count anything. I didn't intermittent fast. I just kind of ate when I was hungry, didn't when I wasn't, and just tried to maintain everything low carb. And for the most part, I did really good. Like yesterday, we went to a birthday party and they had cakes and everything. I didn't have any of that stuff. I didn't eat the rice or the pastas. So, I mean, I know what to eat and what not to eat. I just didn't count anything, to be completely honest. Like, not even like mentally counting my carbs, which I've been trying to do. I really do miss going to the gym. I just feel so much better. I feel like I'm super hyped for life. Like, I got like this badass, I'm a badass boss chick when I just come from the gym and I'm sweaty and I lift weights, and like, I miss that. Like, that's just because it gives me so much mental clarity, and I just enjoy it. I enjoy doing something that is completely for me, on my own, that I like. So I do miss that, and I'm definitely gonna go back this week because I just don't want to get into that rut where I just fall off, because that's like the worst thing for me, because I tend to make excuses for being lazy, and then before I know it, like a week goes into 2 weeks, 2 weeks goes into a month, and then it's 6 months later and I haven't been to the gym. Don't want to go there. Summer's coming. I need to get myself together. So there's that. Let's talk about keto crotch. First off, I don't even know why I'm addressing this because it's absolutely ridiculous. Like I said, I've gotten so many messages, and I've read, like, there's not even a science behind it. People are literally just talking shit. Look, your crotch is gonna stink, you don't wash it. There you go. You're welcome. I think honestly it's a gimmick to kind of scare people away from keto. I did notice that, like, on the news I was watching it, and they said that the Weight Watchers stock has basically plummeted, and keto is basically knocking Weight Watchers out of the water right now. And I think that's kind of where this bullshit, like scare tactics are coming from. Yeah, I don't want this. It's bullshit. Don't worry about it. Just clean yourself up. You'll be all good. Okay, that's it. It's not real. And then I think it was like Jillian Michaels who did it. I don't even know how she's relevant in times right now. First off, I thought she was a complete asshole because she was so rude to people. Like, I get that some people need like a harsh push and be like, hey, get up, get going, let's go. But she was rude as hell about it. I never supported The Biggest Loser. I thought it was absolutely ridiculous. Of course, people who are significantly overweight, when you basically cut their calories in half, cook their food for them, feed them, and then have them working out 8 to 9 hours a day because they're not going to work, they're not seeing their family, they're not living an average life. Their life is consisting of eating the small portions of food you give them and working out. Absolutely, they're going to lose a couple 100 pounds. Duh. I mean, that's not, like, you don't need a freaking PhD to figure that out. So I guess her whole lifestyle is just not selling for her, and I feel like when she started bashing keto, she became relevant again, and now she's like still trying to stay relevant because she's probably getting paid for interviews and stuff. So I mean, she's trying to get her coin. I support your hustle, but girl, bye, you ain't making no damn sense to me. So that's my thought on all that stuff. And no way am I bashing Weight Watchers or anything. Like I've said to many people, there's more than one way to skin a cat. I do not like Weight Watchers. I know people who love it. Whatever works for you. That's my advice. That's it. If keto doesn't work for you, that's okay. Weight Watchers didn't work for me. You just figure it out. And it's just as easy as that. We are not here, and I'm going to tell you, we're going to address that one time too. We're not here to judge you. I am here to support you, to encourage you, to be like, yes, girl, you got this. Kick this diet's butt. You're going to hit your goals. I'm here for it. I'm supporting you. I'm rooting you on. I am on your team. If anybody here is not on that team, or my team, for example, if you are one of those people who are just, you know, just here just to thumbs down it or whatever, thank you for the view. But you don't have to watch somebody's journey and just be a naysayer or be like a negative Nancy. I want you guys to know that when I'm sitting here saying, hey, I support you, I'm on your team, you know, I'm rooting for you, I truly, genuinely mean it. Like, you guys are friends to me, and I support my friends, and whatever journeys you are on, I am here rooting for you. And if there is anybody in your life, you know, that is, you know, telling you you can't, or you're not worthy, or this is ridiculous, or it's stupid, or it doesn't work, either if you, I know it's really hard to cut out family members because, you know, obviously, but block them. Don't let that person stand in your way, because you totally got it. Whatever journey you are on, weight loss, new career, chasing whatever dream it is, I support you. I'm here for you. I totally think you can do it. If you have that passion in your heart and you are willing to put in that effort, you got it. And I totally believe you can do it. And that goes for anything in this life. You totally can do it if you believe you can and you're willing to hustle for it. That's it. So, off the soapbox, we're going to go ahead and talk about what we're going to do this week. This week is going to be even more crazy around here, because let me tell you something about our school district. They just decided like they only want to take the kids a couple hours this week. And let me tell you something, when you have 3 daughters in one house, they fight all the damn time. So tomorrow they're off of school, Tuesday got a full day, Wednesday's a late start, Thursday's a half day, and Friday they off again. So I'm going to have these kids in this house all the time fighting. But nonetheless, I'm going to take advantage of that, and I'm going to the gym as much as damn possible this week because I need it. I know I'm going to need it mentally, and I know I need it physically. So we hit in the gym. We're going to really, I'm only doing 20 minutes of cardio, and I think that's good for me. Like I said, I got that bad knee. I'm really doing really well with the weights. I'm just really enjoying it. I really think that part of my fitness journey is really going well. I'm still going to stay lazy keto, but I definitely want to get back to watching the carbs. Just because life's so crazy, and I enjoy doing low carbs, but I don't enjoy being sucked into an app for every meal, every time I want to put something in my mouth. You know what I mean? So I'm just going to still stay watching my carbs. I'm going to try, okay, so we have new appliances coming this week, and my oven has been broken. So we're finally getting a new oven, and I got some really great recipes that I have saved that we're going to try. There's going to be lots of full days of eating and cook with me's coming because I am pumped. I am here for all the snacks because I've been wanting to try like different types of cakes and like potato substitution meals and stuff like that I haven't been able to. So now that we got the oven, look out because it's coming for you. Also, one more thing I wanted to address when I was talking about Weight Watchers. Yesterday I said I went to this family party, and there was a girl there, and I was talking to her. If you're watching, hey girl. And and we were talking about keto and kind of going by, and she said that she had tried it and she started feeling sick, so she quit, which we all know is the keto flu. And I said, okay, you know, try this, try that. You know, you just really got to watch your electrolytes. That's what kind of makes you sick. And there was a guy there. And he said, what do you guys are talking about keto? And I said, yeah. He said, I did keto for 3 months. I lost 50 pounds. I think he said like 42. I lost 42 pounds and I never watched anything. I'm like, what do you mean? He said, yeah, I just, you know, they gave me a food list and I was on the food list. And the first month I lost 24 pounds. I drank nothing but water. I never got sick. And now I'm starting to able to eat carbs again. I'll eat potatoes or whatever. And I'm like, what? Like, I was baffled. And I was like, wait, well, you only drank water? And he's like, yeah, was it alkaline water? Like, what was in that water? Like, did you increase your salt? Were you hitting your fats? I don't know. Like, and I mean, I didn't really go into like much more detail because, you know, I'm just not that type of person to kind of be like picking people's brains, you know, like that. But that's the point that I wanted to make to you guys. I couldn't do what he does. Like, I couldn't do it. It wouldn't work for me. I've tried. But it worked for him and he did really, really well for it and he enjoyed it. Leo was much the same way where he, you know, only ate off the list. He didn't really count anything and he was only keto Monday through Friday, much like this guy is. And the weekends he ate what he wanted and he was successful. I myself can't do that and I choose not to do that. So there's always different variations to every way of eating. Just because it doesn't work for me, I'm not gonna say, girl, don't even do that. That man's crazy. It worked for him. He was very successful on it and he's been able to maintain it. So you have to figure out your groove on this whole keto, weight loss, whatever train you're riding. You just gotta find out the groove of it and you're gonna be okay. So it just takes some time. That's it. That's all. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna wrap up this video. I'm gonna upload it, get you guys talking. Let me know how your week's been going. Have you guys heard of any of these controversies? Like, what's the haps? Give me the lowdown. Let me know what days you prefer the keto weigh-in. You prefer Saturdays or Sundays, whatever works for you. This week, I do have some really exciting videos. I got a massive decluttering video that is coming on Tuesday for my kitchen because, like I said, new appliances, we spring clean in. And then on Thursday, I'm not too sure yet. I kind of got a couple ideas, but I got to go into my head. But Tuesday for sure, cleaning. It might be a 2-part cleaning video. We don't know because I'm a hoarder. I'm sorry. My name's Danielle and I'm a hoarder. I hope you guys consider my friends. But anyways, I'm going to wrap this video up. Have an awesome day. You know, make sure that you remember that you are so worth this journey and enjoy it. That's all. But I love you guys and I will talk to you on the next one. Bye, guys.